Hi there, I'm Kathleen Jasper, and today I want to talk with you about something that can truly transform your classroom experience: routines and procedures. I know it sounds simple, but trust me, these can be game changers. Think about it. Humans love routines. We build our lives around them. Even when we try to resist, like starting a new exercise routine or eating healthier, once we get into the habit, those routines become really important to us. Ever gone on vacation and found yourself saying, I can't wait to get back to my routine? Yep, we're wired that way. Even my dog knows exactly when it's 5 o'clock because that's dinner time. So, why not use that same principle in our classrooms? When students know what to expect, when they have structure, everything just flows better for them and for us. It makes classroom management so much easier and the learning experience so much smoother. But the key is to establish these routines early, practice them consistently, and reinforce them. So, where do you start? First, think about what routines are absolutely essential in your classroom. One of the most important is probably how students enter the room. That sets the tone. Whether you're teaching little ones who need to hang up their backpacks and grab their folders, or high schoolers who just need to come in, sit down, and get started, whatever your expectations are, you need to get super clear on them. And I mean step by step clear. It's not common sense, not for kids, not even for adults. Write it all down. Step one, walk in quietly. Step two, put your things away. Step three, grab your folder. Step four, start the assignment on the board. Spell it all out. I used to call that first assignment a bell ringer, something they did right away, individually and quietly, so I could take attendance and get things ready for class. And here's something teachers often forget: what happens when a student finishes early? Because some of them will race through the work. You need to have a plan for that too. Maybe they read silently, or maybe they work on something else, but the point is they stay quietly engaged until you're ready to begin. Once you've got your routine figured out, you need to teach it. Post it on the board, hand it out, review it, whatever works best for you, but don't just tell them, model it. Actually walk through the routine step by step so they see exactly what it looks like. And then practice over and over. Send them out, have them walk back in, go through the steps, review what went well and what didn't, and do it again and again and again. It's totally normal if they don't get it the first or even the fifth time. That's okay. Keep practicing until it becomes second nature. You can even create checklists for them. Kids love checking things off. And don't be afraid to revisit routines later in the year if things start to slip. It's a quick reset that saves you so much time and energy in the long run. And most importantly, don't move on to learning until they've got the routine down. It's the foundation for everything else. So, just to wrap up, decide which routines are essential, break them down step by step, model them, practice them like crazy, and revisit when needed. And don't forget to celebrate their success when they get it right. That positive reinforcement goes a long way. If you're looking for more support to kick off your school year successfully, I have comprehensive resources available on my website at kathleenjasper.com. Be sure to check them out. Don't miss out on the extra content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for bonus learning, free tools, and a little extra motivation. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have an amazing week.